Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Financial Feast. I'm your host, and today, we're diving into the exciting world of investing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, these top 10 investment tips will help you make informed decisions and work towards your financial goals. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Diversify your portfolio. Tip number 1 is all about diversification. Diversifying your investments means spreading your money across different asset classes. This can help reduce risk and protect your investments. Consider investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative assets like cryptocurrency. Tip 2. Set clear investment goals. Next, set clear investment goals. What are you investing for? Are you looking for long-term growth, generating income, or a mix of both? Having well-defined objectives will guide your investment strategy. Tip 3. Assess your risk tolerance. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial. Some investments come with higher risk, while others are more conservative. Consider your age, financial situation, and how comfortable you are with taking risks. Tip 4. Do your research. Before investing, always do your research. Understand the companies or assets you're investing in. Analyze their financial health, market trends, and future prospects. Informed decisions are key. Tip 5. Be mindful of costs and fees. Be aware of the costs and fees associated with your investments. High fees can eat into your returns over time. Keep an eye on management fees, transaction costs, and tax implications. Tip 6. Think long-term. Tip number 6 is to think long-term. Investing is typically a marathon, not a sprint. Avoid making knee-jerk reactions to short-term market fluctuations. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Tip 7. Stay informed. Stay informed about financial news and market developments. Being aware of factors that could impact your investments will help you make timely decisions. Tip 8. Manage your asset allocation. Determine the right mix of assets in your portfolio. This is known as asset allocation. Regularly rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired allocation. Tip 9. Consider dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. It can help reduce the impact of market volatility on your investments. Tip 10. Build an emergency fund. Before diving into significant investments, ensure you have an emergency fund in place. This fund should cover several months of living expenses in case of unforeseen financial challenges.